Hello everyone, welcome to Indo Editorial vocabulary series presenting by Diction Addiction. In this episode, if you spend 5 minutes, you can learn six bullet words from today's editorial. These six words are collected from Indo Editorial titled Update Debate on WhatsApp and Privacy. This is most important because we are living with the WhatsApp. So you should know what's happening with the WhatsApp. So backlash. So counterattack or a reaction. Counterattack or reaction. Backlash. WhatsApp decision to delay the updates of privacy policy following a backlash from its users is an implicit acknowledgement of the increasing role played by perception about privacy in the continued well-being of popular service. So what's happening? WhatsApp is going to, in initial announcements, said that it's going to share, uh, uh, privacy rules are going to be changed from February 8th. It means that WhatsApp is going to share the data, content you share with the other person, with its mother or parent company, Facebook, so that you get the personalized advertisement. So your data is on public domain. So that's what backlash means. Your counter attack, a reaction from the users. Next word is implicit. IMPLICIT. Implicit means indirect or suggested awareness, not directly. Implicit. Again, same usage. WhatsApp decision to delay the update of its privacy policy following a backlash from its users is an implicit acknowledgement of the increasing role played by perception about privacy in the continued well-being of popular service. So implicit, indirect, suggested, awareness, suggested. So it means that people are, because of they are thinking about their privacy, and automatically they have shifted their mm, social messenger to the other companies, then automatically WhatsApp have changed its mind to change its privacy policy at this moment. They delayed it, right? Perception means views or opinions. Perceptions. Perceptions. So it's opinions of individuals. It's not government opinion. It's individuals. Individuals are thinking about their privacy, about data they are sharing on the WhatsApp. It's going to be, it's going to be Facebook. From there, you get the personalized advertisements. Your data could be shared with the social network such as Facebook. So these, that perception have shifted them to choose the app which can protect the privacy. That leads to the change in the policy of, or delayed in the policy privacy policy of the WhatsApp. So what's perception? Perception is very important. Next one is exodus. Exodus means exit or departure or moving away from that exodus. You can see example. February 8th was kept as the deadline of the new terms of to be accepted. This triggered a mass exodus from WhatsApp, the likes of which it has never encountered, not even in the aftermath of Cambridge Analytica scandal, which did bring a lot of bad press to its parent, or when the messaging app co-founders called its quits for a few years ago. Because WhatsApp said February 8th was the last date to change the privacy policy. Means you accept or discontinue with the WhatsApp. So when you accept your the WhatsApp, means that you're allowing the WhatsApp to share your content with its parent Facebook. So whatever you share on the WhatsApp, that's going to be the Facebook. From Facebook, you uses the for advertisement. So what happened when the WhatsApp have set this deadline of new terms to be accepted? Most of the people, lot of the people have shifted to the other related app such as Signal, Telegram. That's what it is. This triggered a mass exodus from WhatsApp. So people have moved to the WhatsApp to the Signal or Telegram or other relevant apps. That's what exodus means. Moving away from the but point, an exit from that point, a departure. That's what is exodus. Next, what is aftermath? Consequences or after effects. It's a generally used in the negative sentences only. You can see the same sentence. February 8th was kept as the deadline for the new terms of to be accepted. This triggered a mass exodus from WhatsApp, the likes of which it has never encountered, not even in the aftermath of Cambridge Analytica scandal, which did bring a lot of bad press to its parents, or when the messaging app's co-founders called it cute pits a few years ago. Aftermath in the sense, after the incident, what are the effects you get after the incident? That is called as aftermath. Consequences of the incident is called as aftermath. So WhatsApp have seen many incidents, but not like now. When its co-founders quitted the company, but it did not see a huge change in its users shifting from WhatsApp to other relevant apps. Or when Facebook involved in the Cambridge Analytica scandal, where it shared the data with the private companies. That time also there is no shift. There is no loss of users. But you see now, when it comes to the privacy of individual is very pertain to the data is sharing with the is sharing with the others over the WhatsApp should be viewed only by person who is sending, person who is receiving, not the company or not the by anyone else. Because of that, many people have shifted to other relevant apps like Signal, Telegram. That's what is exodus, means moving away from the that place. That's what aftermath is consequence. Because of this, because of privacy policy, many people have shifted their loyalty to the other company. Next word is spooked. SPOOKED. Spooked means pretend, disturbed. The WhatsApp policy update has clearly spooked many users. Okay. Spooked many users. You see, when I'm sharing a photo of mine with my friend, and that photo would be after, if I accept the policy decision, if I accept the terms and conditions of the WhatsApp, then the photo would be the Facebook. It will be in the Facebook without my consent. If I'm suggesting something to my friend to buy, that content would be with the Facebook. right? Spooked means frightened, disturbed. So WhatsApp policy update has clearly spooked many users who concerned about their privacy getting compromised have shifted to alternative platforms such as Signal and Telegram. When they WhatsApp said that they are going to change the policy by February 8th, many people are feared about their fear, and because we are addicted to the WhatsApp, so our relations are continued in the WhatsApp. So we are part of the many uh, groups. So we get the messages from the groups, and we are updated by the messages coming from the groups. And relations are on the WhatsApp. We have a family WhatsApps and community WhatsApp and professional WhatsApp, so on. So we are updated by the what's happening around the world through the WhatsApp only. So we once we are came to know that the data we are sharing on this platform going to be Facebook, there they'll be sharing with the other company to advertise, then people are really spooked, means written or disturbed. End-to-end encryption. Whenever you open WhatsApp, it says that the content is end-to-end encryption. Means whatever the content of the interaction would be available only for sender and receiver, not to anybody else. That is what is called end-to-end encryption. You can see example. Interestingly, WhatsApp uses the same end-to-end encryption protocol as Signal. So WhatsApp says that we don't have any view on what you are sending and receiving from your circle. Similarly, like Signal. The next word is alloy, ALLAY, alloy. Reduce, relieve, assuage, mitigate. These are the similar words to alloy. Means it means that it removes the fear from the removing of fear from the people is called alloy by action. And under fire WhatsApp on its part has tried to alloy fears about privacy being compromised because of the updates. Yesterday I've seen the WhatsApp. WhatsApp also kept a status that we don't look into your data. We are very much concerned with your privacy. I never seen. So they're trying to build a confidence in users. That's what is alloy. ALLAY, alloy. So, and the extra dose, you can learn these words also. Inevitable, encountered, bad press. I'm not going to explain, but these are the 6 or 7 words I've discussed with you. Will help you to understand the article more enhanced, more meaningful. You will grab the theme of the today's article if you learn these 7 or 8 words perfectly. Thank you all for your attention. And if at all you like the content, just give thumbs up. And if you want to get the regular updates from me, and subscribe, so that if you want, go through the vocabulary before going through the editorial, so that you get the maximum. Thank you all for your attention. This is all from my side, and see you again with another video.